How do I check and refill my car's coolant? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, I want to tell you, absolutely, positively, never check your coolant or antifreeze or radiator fluid, whatever you want to call it, when the engine's warm. Always make sure it's fully cooled down because I want you to be safe and not get injured. Number two is, if the coolant is low, you need to find out why it's leaking, because it doesn't just disappear. So there are two different typical types of cooling systems. There's a traditional one like this car where the radiator cap, the pressure cap is on the radiator and it has an overflow. It's a little hard to see on this one, but the overflow just has a plastic cap. So the overflow does not have pressure in it. Then we have ones that have a surge tank. So they don't have a cap on the radiator most of the time, but they have a pressure cap on the overflow. So those are two different systems. The one like this car, we want to check at the radiator. We take the cap off. It should pretty much be filled to the top. And then the overflow bottle, which we can't see right now, should be in its normal range. Now, if it doesn't have a cap on here, most of those surge tanks are going to have kind of a white appearance or almost clear. You should actually be able to see the level in those, and that's the only place you check those. So I hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.